Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello friends. Today I am going to show you how to uh, program in Rust using Visual Studio 2015. Uh, this is an extension of Visual Studio named Visual Rust. You can download from Visual Studio Marketplace. I'm going to download this. Uh, Once it's downloaded, I'm going to install this extension of Visual Studio. Next, install and finish. Now I'm going to open the Visual Studio. Now you can see there is a Rust template in our new project. New project, I'm going to close the shop template. Then there is a Rust template, and on the top this is a Rust application template. I'm going to save this with the name of Rust application 1. You can see there is a function with the print ln hello world. I'm going to build it, but there is an error. After some search, this is non-issue, and I have found the solution of this. It's required only a registry entry, so I copy this line and save as in rag registry file. There's only one thing: you have to carefully write the version of Rust programming. I can show you how can you see your Rust version. My version is 1.38.0, so I write there. Now I'm going to open this and continue. Now again I'm going to rebuild this solution. Not successful. The window appear very short time. Cannot sure. Well, I just modify the code and required the user input, and I'm going to write another line with my name Hello Imran. So now window should not auto close. It will hold the screen and required user input. I need to rebuild the project so that these changes will appear. Now there's two line hello world and hello everyone. This is how you can use Visual Studio 2015 for Rust programming. Thank you.